Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we will show you guys how to remove and replace the passenger side vent. Okay, this one right there on Mercedes E-Class, the W211. Stay with us, guys. It's very important how you do that so you don't cause any damage to your interior trim. So now right here you need to pry this one up. Okay, that's where the clip is. Now it's very important, stay with us to take our time. It's very important to not pry anywhere else. Once you have this side pried, you're going to lift up and slide the whole trim to the right and pull it out. Okay, and it's out of the way now. So next, guys, we need to remove that cover, and you can check the tools that we use on our website mechaniclifestyle.com. Now with the T25 we're going to remove, okay, 2 screws, but there is something else you need to do as well. Okay, but before we remove this one, the second one, okay, there is a special thing we need to do. Most people don't do it and they break them. There is one tooth right there with a small screwdriver. Okay, you're going to pry it open. Okay, and there is 2 teeth on this side. You can see, and a bug. I guess that's for breakfast. And now there is a hidden one right here. Most people don't remove that one and they break them. Let's see if this one has been removed in the past, because I have the feeling that it's broken too. Okay, and this one on the side now. Okay, yep, and this one is broken. Check it out, because somebody pulled the vent out without removing that screw. So now right here there is one tooth. Okay, so we'll need to pry this one open with the screwdriver. We can help it, very small screwdriver. And this is, guys, the vent out of the way now. So that's where the clips on the little things are. Okay, you can see one right here and 2 on this side. So that's how you remove the vent. So when you install it, you just put everything together in reverse order. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.